Hello YouTube! At ito na naman ako upang mag-reaction videos. At tara, samahan niyo akong panuurin itong video na ito tungkol sa alien and mga UFO. At gaya nga ng sabi natin, gagawa tayo ng part 2 noong na-upload ko last day o mga last na araw. Ay, ito na nga yung part 2 nun. At tara, let's go! Reaction na natin to bago pa reaction na ng iba. Let's go! Confidential. My goodness.
I mean, this is pretty crazy stuff. Some are saying this is proof of aliens or life beyond Earth, but others try to rationalize it as some kind of space event. But the fact that it happened
Meron daw space event
so
daw.
many times and that it was caught on camera many times, I don't think this
Marami na daw na caught in camera, ibig sabihin nakita.
some kind of space event.
Space event daw. Hay! May ad na naman! Ano ba namang ad to?
Now let's go ahead and jump into the best UFO and UAP videos that were found in the files. And trust me, there are so many amazing ones, starting with probably the most
My
amazing
goodness.
terrifying one. This one comes from the Middle East in 2018, released by the US
Ito daw galing sa Middle East. Ibig sabihin na kapag monitor pala ang US sa Middle East. So, kasi meron nga pala silang mga base doon, military base.
Department of Defense
Ayun o, ano yan? May nakuhaan
itself.
sa camera. Ay, grabe, ano yan? Putik na yan. What? Kakaiba. What ganan yan? Umiikot-ikot oh.
I mean, what could this even
Para
be?
siyang ano.
It's a strange dark star-like object floating and moving around in the sky. This one just blows my mind. I don't have any kind of explanation for this one.
Ako din wala akong explanation about yan.
Tracked it for a while, getting amazing footage of it.
Bahala na yung nag-video mag-explain dyan. Kung UFO man yan.
He accelerates suddenly and vanished from the camera's view.
Mulutang-lutang yun.
An acceleration too quick
Ang
and
bilis.
sudden to be anything we know of.
Di ba edited lang yan? Ano naman, animation lang to.
Moving to the southern US, this one is really strange too. The video recorded in 2020 starts off pretty zoomed out, but it's obviously locked onto something traveling quickly through the sky.
Grabe. Ayun, no, meron na naman nakita. What is that? Di ba satellite lang yan?
Now, the Department of Defense has these cameras watching the sky 24/7 to keep an eye on our airspace and to neutralize any threats when needed to.
Neutralize any threats daw.
But sometimes they catch anomalies like this, flying crafts or lights that they
Ayun, no, nakita nila. Oh. Ang labo naman, di ko masyadong kita. Zoom nyo naman.
But as the video continues on, the camera zooms in further and further.
Uy, ano yan? Ba't para Milky Way yan o star?
Can you see this UAP pretty good?
O asteroid yan. Bumabagsak sa kalangitan.
Looks like a cluster of interconnected white lights traveling at tremendous speeds.
Tremendous speed raw.
It doesn't seem to be falling directly down, but traveling in a slightly
What the heck?
diagonal path. As the video wraps up, the subject gets closer and closer until it accelerates out of frame completely.
Bilis. Grabe namang UFO yan.
And then we have this quick one from the East China Sea too, which shows some kind of pulsating object.
Pulsating object daw. Hina pala ng sound natin. Bago ko lang napansin ang hina pala ng sound natin. Nice! Nako po. Hina pala ng sound natin sa YouTube.
It looks like something emitting some kind of heat rays or something.
Sana naririnig niyo yung kanina ha. Ay nako.
This object though remains stationary.
Uy, ano ba yan? Nakakatakot naman yung tunog ha.
Coming back to North America, this is one of the newest UAP videos mentioned in the files. This one was taken this year actually, in 2026. It wasn't listed which state.
Ito daw yung pinaka-latest na na-scene sa camera. Latest in this 2026 lamang. So, kakukuha lang niya. So, tingnan nga natin kung anong itsura
It was just
ng
listed
OUF
as
or alien.
unresolved UAP report from North America. Take a
My
look.
goodness. Ayan, no? Madilim. May lumilipad-lipad, oh. Pusang gala na yan. Ano yan? Dalawa ang ilaw.
We see two interconnected light orbs that move together
Teka lang, kung airplane to, dapat kumukurap-kurap yung ilaw nito, yung gumaganong-ganon, no? Diba? So, hindi siya airplane.
throughout the dark night
Ano kaya
sky.
to, satellite? Baka naman satellite lang to, ha?
They seem to move in side-to-side motions. The best way
Pero,
I can describe
Ang
these
satellite,
things is they
ang bagal ng galaw, gumaganon. Tsaka consistent siya, pero ito gumaganon.
look like
Nanginginig.
distant car headlights moving about in the sky.
Eh, grabe.
The film continues as the UAP moves left to right quickly, never changing shape, never changing direction, moving with purpose.
Moving with purpose daw.
And obviously this doesn't resemble any commercial craft or drone that we've ever seen. No FAA lights, just two bright lights moving about in the sky. Let's shift over to Greece and take a look at one of their videos released in the UFO files. This one was recorded by government surveillance cameras in January of 2024. First, something very bright and quick flies through the shot. This is when the cameras track, follow, and
Very bright
lock
daw.
onto the object.
Tignan natin. Uy, ano yan? Bilis, ah. Ayan, oh. Parang ano yan, ah. Saranggola. Pero puti, ah. Grabe naman.
It almost looks balloon-shaped.
Balloon shape. Lobo pala yan,
The
eh.
top is almost a rigid diamond, followed by a tail at the bottom.
Oh, parang ang, ano, parang, ano siya, saranggola.
There's such an odd shape,
Saranggolang lilipad sa kalangitan.
but obviously this is not any kind of balloon, as it moves very fast in one solid path. Balloons would move sporadically and blow with the wind,
Oo nga naman.
and not to mention
Ang balloons ay nagbo-moves periodically, tsaka hindi siya pataas na gano'n, no? May direction to, eh.
looks very bright too.
Ang bilis niya, oh.
But just look at how quickly it moves. The
Oh,
camera can
quickly it moves talaga. Very quickly moves.
barely keep up. It moves right to
Grabe, ano
left,
kaya to?
diagonal, slowly elevating as it flies. Then the camera seems to glitch and the UAP disappears out of sight.
Ano ba naman to?
What's even crazier about this one though is 6 months later an exact same looking object was seen flying over open water in the Gulf of Oman.
Na ano daw, nakot on Gulf of Oman. Puro mga palipad-lipad.
Exactly the and it could be. Let me know in the comments. This one we're moving away from these new back in March of 1971. So here's the story along with the eerie close-up images associated with it.
Ano to, 1971 daw.
So, in the early 1970s, an American nuclear submarine called the USS Trepang, the SSN 674, carried out missions beneath the Arctic ice during the height of the Cold War. Decades later, a strange collection of black and white photographs surfaced that became tied to the submarine and sparked one of the more mysterious UFO stories connected to the US
Oh my
military.
goodness. Ano yan? UFO?
Photos include multiple telescope captures of what looks to be a UFO crashing into the ocean,
Crashing on the ocean.
along with alleged
To the
photos of
ocean.
alien-like beings being secretly transported.
Uy! Oh my goodness. Grabe, alien yan. Pakapangit ng mukha. Grabe, parang ano, skeleton na siya. Wait lang ha, mag-iilaw lang ako. So, grabe namang alien yan. Oh, pinakita talaga sa picture 1970s pa pala yan. Sobrang tanda na.
Reportedly, the submarine was traveling through icy northern waters between Iceland and Jan Mayen Island in 1971. When crew members
Nag-travel daw yung submarine nila
supposedly spotted
noong
unusual
1971.
objects in the sky and above the ocean.
Ayan, no, nakakita daw sila ng object sa sky. Parang UFO nga.
The photographs said to come from the encounter showed bizarre shapes looming over the frozen sea.
Grabe naman, lumulutang oh.
Some looked long and cigar-shaped,
What?
while others appeared triangular or disc-like, and in several images the objects seemed enormous compared to the surrounding ice.
Oo nga naman. Parang UFO.
But the alien photos stand out the most.
Oo nga naman. Itong alien photos ang nakakapagpaisip ng malalim. Grabe na.
Several of these photographs appeared stamped with phrases such as official photograph and not to be released. To UFO researchers, that suggested the images may have originated from military files rather than from ordinary civilians.
Grabe, galing daw yan sa military files at in-enhance yung photo.
Because of this, many people believe the photographs might be secret evidence hidden away for years.
Oh my goodness.
So honestly, one of the best UFO and alien legends that still stands today. It hasn't been debunked yet. And the chilling
Yes, is still debunk kasi 'di ba hindi pa napapatunayan. At never pa tayo nakakita ng alien sa buong buhay natin dito sa mundo, no? So hindi natin alam kung ano talaga ang totoo sa nilabas ng US.
story
So antabayan na lang natin
and
ang
chilling
mangyayari.
images will stick in your mind for a while. Now here is a little bonus cryptid video. It's new and exclusive, just uploaded on February 27th, 2026. A man on TikTok who makes a lot of videos in the woods at night caught something very strange one night.
Grabe, ano kaya yun?
In most of his videos, there isn't much strange creature activity, but this night there was.
Uy, ano yan? Parang aswang.
Dude, something in the tree line over there
Galing daw to sa TikTok, no?
is like shooting me daggers right now. It's not even blinking.
Oo nga naman, hindi nagbi-blink. Pero baka naman ilaw lang ng kapitbahay nila.
Nope. Oh,
As he was out there, something began watching him in the distance. Something with piercing eyes that don't blink once.
Oo nga naman, ano, parang mata.
They're locked onto him, not moving at all.
Grabe.
Then the figure lets out a strange, high-pitched sound. It's a little distant, but we can still hear it pretty good.
nope. Oh,
He then freaks out and contemplates leaving.
Grabe,
Then it lets out a
nakakatakot.
very deep and guttural growl. This is when he doesn't just contemplate leaving anymore, he actually does.
Grabe, baka alien yan.
The vocal fluctuations told the man that this was something he didn't want to deal with, something he didn't know. Obviously, all we can see is the creature's eyes shine, leaving some mystery with us.
Creatures yan, creatures.
Never know. But it's probably better off that the late night explorer didn't get close enough to find out. Keeping his distance may have saved him this day.
Ano kaya to?
Alright, as you may know, I always like to end off my videos with
Okay, i-end na raw niya ang video niya. At ayan na nga ang pasabog. At pasabog sa mga alien at sa mga UFO na ating nakita, no? At
forth at 3 p.m.
ano kaya yan? Ahas?
Man, this is just such a cool video. Such a
Gumawa,
close look
ganan-ganan.
at a rattlesnake that looks completely ready for battle. Now, rattlesnakes belong to the pit viper family, meaning they have heat-sensing organs between their eyes and nostrils that help them detect warm-blooded prey even in darkness. The rattles are made of hollow keratin segments, the same material found in human fingernails.
Ay,
Every time
grabe.
the snake sheds its skin, a new segment is added. When threatened, the snake vibrates its tail rapidly, producing the famous buzzing sound meant to warn animals or people to stay away.
Meron pa pala.
Most rattlesnakes prefer avoiding conflict rather than attacking. They often rely on camouflage to stay hidden among rocks, leaves, or desert sand.
Ang gusto niya ipunto rito parang sabi niya may nakakita raw yung ahas ng isang hindi maipaliwanag na nilalang. So baka alien siya.
Many bites happen when someone accidentally steps near one or tries to handle it.
Grabe.
So, luckily, this man spotted it in time and quickly moved it off the trail, so that the snake itself doesn't get hurt and nobody your YT. And be sure to subscribe.
Okay, so andyan na muna natatapos ang ating video tungkol sa UFO na yan at alien na yan na ilabas nga daw ng USA, especially ni President Donald Trump tungkol sa transparency. At kayo, naniniwala ba kayo na totoo ang alien at ang mga UFO dito sa ating mundo? Maaari ko bang malaman yan sa pamagitan ng inyong pagko-comment dito sa ating comment section sa baba at nang malaman ko ang inyong mga opinion tungkol dito. Para sa akin ay kung akong tatanungin, medyo malabo pa, napakahirap ang paniwalaan ng isang alien or UFO na nag-e-exist dito sa ating mundo. At yan ang aking conclusion para sa video na ito. At mga guys, dyan na natatapos ang ating reaction video tungkol sa alien at sa mga unidentified flying objects. At sana'y nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. At maraming salamat sa inyong panonood dito. Bye-bye! And see you in the next video.